So there's a new token coming to the futures market on MEXC exchange in an hour time, right? But briefly, I want to show you how to qualify to get the $500, which is the launch pad that is currently ongoing. All you just need is $55. All right. There are two actually. There are two actually. All right. There are two events right here. As you can see, this will end the countdown here is 6 days from now. All right. So the first one here is that you can buy, okay, bet to buy, subscribe to buy Bitcoin at 11,000. And at the end of this event, if you qualify, okay, they are going to select, I think it's limited to, is it 200 persons or thereabout? I can't really say. Uh, I can't say, where did I see that stuff, Seth? It's limited to in a certain number of persons. So the people they will pick, at the end of the day, they are going to give them $500 worth of Bitcoin. And if you do for this other one, okay, this other one, you need 250 to qualify. All right. And what you need to do right now is very simple. Use the event link to create a MEXC account. You can have as many MEXC account as possible, but I don't advise that, right? Okay. So you can create account, still use the same verification details you use to verify the other one to do this, and it will still go through and you can still qualify for this, right? So if you click on the event link, it brings you to this page. And you need to, if I click on expand option right here, okay, you need to deposit 100 USDT. You need to make a trade on the spot market, okay, worth 100 USDT. And then you need to trade futures worth 500 USDT. As you can see, I've done all of that, okay. I've made a deposit. I made that 105 right there. I traded on spot, okay. I just used the whole of my capital to buy a particular token. As it goes up by 2%, I sold it, did again, and that was how I got here, okay. And then spot, I just used 5x leverage, and I traded with the whole of my capital, and that was how I got this volume right there, right? So for this other one, I'm still left with about 200 USDT to qualify because I need to do a trading volume on the futures market of up to 1,000, right? So I need to do 200 more to qualify for this. It's as simple as that. So right here, since I've qualified for this one, I just need to go ahead and click on the subscribe option, and you can see right here, okay. So I need to, available balance is this, and what I need, okay, if I do max, what I need is just 55, right? So I go ahead and click on confirm. Unfortunately, you are not eligible for this event, okay. Yeah, because this is not a new account. That is why I'm not eligible, right? Every other thing is complete, but I'm not eligible because it is not a new account. So this campaign is just for new accounts, okay. It's just for new accounts alone. Then if you want to do for this one as well, you need 250, but this one is the one I feel that everybody can afford. So just make a deposit, just buy and sell on spot, buy and sell on futures, and you qualify for this, and you can go ahead and click on subscribe, okay. So I just created a new account. After now, I'm just going to do basic verification. And if you are doing a new account, please don't transfer money you have from the old MEXC account to the new account because you'll be disqualified. All right. So make a deposit using P2P, or make a deposit using another exchange, okay, or another wallet that you have. Don't go and transfer money from one MEXC account to another account. If not, you'll be disqualified. Right. So go ahead and take advantage of this. It's as simple as that. It's not something that is difficult. Stake your USDT, and in the next 6 days, once it ends, okay, I hope that you will have lucky winners here. So you'll be able to receive 500 in return. All right. You'll be able to receive 500 in return. If you do for the one that is 250, I think you will get up to, how much are you getting here? Mm, Okay. I don't know. Just read the instruction here. You'll be able to know the details right there, okay. You'll be able to get the details right there. So you're buying at a very discounted price, and at the end of the day, you receive, you receive big money in return, right? So I'll just refer the message to the Telegram. The link will equally be in the video description. This video will be on YouTube. So you can just go ahead, sign up, and it is risk free. All right. If at the end of the day you do not qualify, your money will be returned back to you. If you qualify, your money will be returned back to you plus the $500, right? So if you qualify, you get your 55 back plus a 500. If you do not qualify, you get your 55 back. So it is risk free. You don't have anything to fear right here. Okay. So if you want to take advantage of it, and I wish you the best. I wish you luck. Okay. Yeah. Any question as regards this? Any question as regards this before we go into other activities? Ah, yeah. Good afternoon. Praise, right? Yeah. Good afternoon. Mm. It is a launch pad. It is a launch pad. MEXC just launched a launch pad. Okay. Launch pad, normally it is they do it with projects that have not been listed in the market yet. Okay. Normally the way the launch pad was is with project that has not been listed in the market yet. But this one particularly, the MEXC exchange is doing it for BTC. All right. For BTC. So if you read right here and all of that, okay, this is just an introduction. So what they are doing is they are giving you the opportunity to buy Bitcoin at a discounted price, right? Which is this is the normal price right now. This is the current price in the market. But one BTC, because of this event, it is at this 11K you are buying it. So once the event ends, right? If you are part of those who qualify to get this at this price, you are going to get back, what's the percentage? The discount there, I think it should be about, is it 90%, that be 80% or thereabout, right? So you are going to get back 500 plus your capital. Okay, you just take this amount of money, right? And once this event ends, if you qualify, if you are part of those that are selected that will share, I think it's about $40,000 that they're actually giving out in this event or so. So if you qualify, you will be receiving back, your money plus a 500. So it is just a launch pad. It is an event that they have organized. It's not as if this is the real price. Okay. You cannot buy this in the spot market. This is just for this particular event, right? Yes.